Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Aswandi, my major Nautica level 2.
Hello everyone, my name is Zulfikar Aziz. My major in nautical level 2.
Tiga.
Excuse me, can you tell me what the library is?
Yes, it is that way. You go 3 blocks to Winston Street. The to right is on the corner across from the bank.
Thanks. I have only been in town a few days, so really don't know my way around yet.
Oh, I know your feel. We moved here a year ago, and I still don't know where everything is. Excuse me, could you tell me where the minimum is?
Yes, it's the way you go 3 blocks to Washington Street, the turn right. It's on the corner across from the bank.
Thanks. I've only been in to a few days, so I really don't know my way around yet.
Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here a year ago and still don't know where everything is.